What's up, guys? This is the Fat Man. We are doing a candy overhaul video taste test. Okay, you know it is about that time with the lovey-doveys and all that lovey-dovey crap comes all over the place. Valentine's Day. You know, it's only a lovey-dovey holiday. If you're married, if you got a loved one, you get them some gifts. Or you get them some candy. Jolly Rancher. Jelly Hearts. Jelly Hearts. Can't go wrong. Here we go. Opening. Ooh, this smells good. Here's a heart for the mystery one. What one did I give you?
I want to say it was pink.
Pink. Okay, pink. And that's what they look like. Nice little heart. Okay.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Light pink. You're good. Not a strawberry flavor to this. That was a weird noise. Sound like Eevee of Pokemon. I'm guessing this is watermelon. I'm gonna guess. That's the light pink one. Oh yeah. I was right. Watermelon. A little watermelon in me.
That one the best one.
But
It wasn't as tall
you
as the
can tell
strawberry.
exactly what it is. Watermelon flavor.
Next would be cherry.
Dark red.
Yep.
Dark red. That's what it looks like. Here you go. These are 10 out of 10. What do you think?
My two favorite ones are the cherry and the watermelon.
I like all of them.
The strawberry had a it wasn't so sweet like the watermelon and the cherry flavor.
But these, you can actually tell the flavor.
Oh yeah. Yeah, 10-10.
And it kept to the Jolly Rancher name.
Oh yeah.
Because you can tell it's a Jolly Rancher. That nice hard candy that you suck on so nice and juicy and have all that stuff come down. Oh yeah, I mean, keep it PG. Come on.
That was you, Dad.
Jeez. What did I say was that?
Starburst.
Starburst Gummy Duos, guys. 2 flavors in one package right there. Here's the back. It says 2 flavors in one. There's cherry lemonade, double berry, and orange green apple. That's gonna be interesting. No castle. Put it in there, baby. Okay, first we're gonna go with red and yellow. This is the first one I grabbed. So I'm just guessing this would be
It's
cherry lemonade.
Yep.
Has a little hint of that lemonade in there. Just a taste though, not too much. Tastes more cherry than anything.
Yeah.
Eh. What other one do I got?
Green and
Green and orange. So this is orange and green apple. Surprisingly, that's actually pretty good. More orangey than green apple though. The next is double berry. It's pink and purple. That's my favorite. Kind of like a blueberry.
Blueberry strawberry?
Yeah, something like that.
Or
Really
blue
good, though.
raspberry strawberry.
Really good.
It sounds like I'm hitting this, but it's not hitting it.
It's really good. Alright. We'll be right back after this. And we're back. Alright, next we're doing Kit Kat Red Velvet though. So this is the bag it comes in. You know, these at Walmart or wherever you want to go. We got them at Walmart, right? You got them at Walmart. The wafers and cream. So let's open it up. Okay. They come in like singles like this. See? Little singles.
It's upside down.
Oh. Singles. Like that, you know. It comes with two little kitties, a pink and a brown kitty, I think it is. Red kitty, maybe.
I want to say a black kitty.
It says red velvet on the side right there. White and red.
The smell is
package.
amazing.
The smell is amazing, yes. It's white chocolate.
Until you bite into it.
Oh my god. I think I just found my favorite Kit Kat. Yes, dude. Has that cake flavor to it.
Mm-hmm. Shh. Now why he's eating?
Okay. Sorry. That was like... That one was almost better than sex. Almost. Not quite.
No, I would say it is. Look at your face.
That's hurtful. Ass. Next we have sour.
Take one to know one.
Very berry, sour, bright trolleys are shaped in a heart.
And I think there's only one flavor.
Yes, I think so. Yeah, one flavor.
One flavor fits all, huh?
They're all in one flavor, is what it is. All berries is in one. So then, what it looks like.
It's like tie-dye.
Yeah. So, nice little heart. Oh my god. These raspberry for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Those are good. I like those. You can taste a lot of the berries into it. The sourness.
It got to you. It broke you down and spit you right back out.
Not really. They're good. They're juicy. They're nice and...
They're soft.
Yeah. Not that... They have sourness to them, but... Okay. So far, we've had the Starburst, which is a 10 out of 10. The Kit Kat, which is a 10 out of 10 for sure. If I can go higher than the 10 out of 10, it would rank a high. It'd be 100 out of 100. 1,000 out of 1,000, shit like that.
Mm-hmm.
The trolleys, I'd say, is a 10 out of 10. Because they brought the flavor. The Jolly Ranchers was a 10 out of 10. Next, we have a hot tamale, guys. A hot tamale. Are you on me? Or it looks like you're there. Hot tamale, fire and ice. So, chewy cinnamon and cool mint. So I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this up. Everybody knows what it looks like. There's the back. If you have not had a hot tamale ever, what rock have you been under? Got a red and a blue. That's all we're doing. And they look like.
I love the cool mint.
But mixed with the red?
Kind of like tastes like toothpaste.
It even tastes like that big red gum.
Well, with the red, just like that, just tastes like Big Red.
But with that cool mint?
That cool mint tastes like spearmint or peppermint.
It cools that cinnamon
It does by
way
a
down,
long
so it's not
shot.
like a hot, really hot, overpowering taste in your mouth.
Your mouth's not burning.
I like those. I like those.
They need to make the cool mint by Hot Tamale.
Yeah, just by itself.
Mm-hmm.
But that's good. 10 out of 10?
Yep.
Alright guys, the last thing we have for you today is Sour Patch Kids Conversation Hulk Candy. Remember those little Hulk candies that you had back in the day when you were a kid?
Mm-hmm.
You know, Valentine's when you were a kid, you know, to your little sweethearts and your little crushes and all that other stuff.
I ate mine.
And then when you're in high school, you handed them to the ones that you wanted to, you know, boink and stuff. Yeah, you know, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, back to this. Keep it PG! Here's the bag. Here's the back.
Sour then sweet.
I love Sour Patch Kids. I absolutely love them. Oh. I'll give you the blue one. What does it say?
SMH.
SMH. Shaking my head. I can shake my head too, see? PG! Mine says over it.
Do you have a little guy on the back of yours?
Yep, mine has a little dude on the back. Oh, wow. And that one's blue raspberry. Okay, here's your pink. What does it say?
Friend zone.
Friend zone. You get a green one.
Over it.
Over it. Okay. I can do this all day. This whole bag will be gone. One more. One more. Oh. I don't like the yellow. The yellow tastes like pine salt.
DM me.
DM you. Personal message.
It was.
I think. Stop! Oh my god, stop! Oh god, no!
Is that your? Is that a green one?
No, this is a pink, red one.
I got a green one.
I want to try yellow.
No.
Well, that's what you got. What does it say?
EWNO.
You know.
If you turn it upside down, it says on me.
I got the same one. That's what I thought it said. Then I realized it was upside down.
It says you know.
On me. Okay, guys. Not fun. Hit that like button. Oh wait, we do have one more. It's not a candy though. It's a chip. It's a chip. Queso. Great value.
And it's
Chip.
gluten free. Ooh, look at the cheese. Look at the cheese. Oh my goodness. Look at the cheese.
These are 150 calories. Babe, I can just hang it. Oh no. Holy, look at that cheese.
Oh, they smell amazing. You should sniff that one.
Not too powdery like that other one was. All I taste is cheddar.
It tastes like a potato chip, like a regular potato chip.
That's just not cool, man. Like a regular 3 out of 10. The others, 10 out of 10, that was the most disappointing one.
I wonder if it's because we had sweets
Could be.
and it's changing the flavor of the chips.
Could be. Might have my water. I'll put mine away. I won't grab them. I'm gonna just test the food. Okay, this is after cleaning my palate. No.
No difference?
Nope.
So the ruffle of queso is the winner of that chip.
Yes. And we can't find them here. These are what we have to suffer with.
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Y'all know what to do. Leave comments below. I'll be streaming later tonight. Have a nice night. Peace.